In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to scale up the elements on your screen, text and icons, etc., so that they're more readable, easier to see. So, first method, you're going to right-click on your Start button, click on Settings, go to System near the top on the left, and then on the right-hand side, the very first choice here is Display. Click on that, and then under Scale and Layout, first thing we're going to play with is Display Resolution. So currently we're at 1440 by 900. If I click the little down arrow on the right hand side, everything larger or towards the top here, the larger numbers, will make things appear smaller. So you're packing more pixels onto the same screen, and so elements a certain number of pixels wide will seem smaller, relative to the number of pixels that you have, right? So if you want things to appear larger, you want to choose the resolutions lower on the list with the smaller numbers. And you also want to keep something very close to the same aspect ratio, right? So if your current monitor is almost a square, you want numbers that are almost equal. In this case, we have more of a widescreen view here, and I think probably 1280 by 720 is going to be a close match for that. When I choose that, watch the text, etc. carefully, and you'll see that it scales up and it's that much more readable. So we click here, say Keep Changes, and everything is just so much bigger. All right. Now that's one way to do it. We're going to switch back to our original resolution. I'll keep those changes, right? And starting from scratch, we would go back, right-click on the Start button, choose Settings, System near the top on the left, Display, first choice on the right. Now instead of Display Resolution, we're going to look at Scale. It's currently set to 100%. If we click the little down arrow here, we have choices of 125 or 150. So again, watch the text, etc. If I click on 125, you see everything jumps up quite a bit. And if we want to go even more dramatic, click on 150 and we get a much larger view. So it's 50% larger than before, right? And if we close our settings here, you can see that the icons and the text for the icons, the icon labels on the desktop are much larger, and so is the taskbar, the clock, etc. So all your elements are just more visible, easier to see the details of. Hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for watching.